Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are being super safe during this pandemic. I know you guys see me with my head wrap. I did not feel like doing my hair, so I told myself, hey, let's create a makeup look to match this, okay? So I'm going to start off with a MAC Blunt, the oldie but goodie, and I'm just going to put that in my crease to basically use this as a transition shade and basically to knock out any oils I have in my lids as well. And you guys, this is my second time recreating this look. The first time I did it, I have uploaded everything, and I was just looking at it like, I don't like that. So I'm like, let me just reach my full potential and give you guys some quality content, okay? So then I'm gonna use the Penny for Your Thoughts by Fenty Beauty. I know it's upside down, but don't mind that. And basically, I'm just gonna use this for added warmth, and also a blueprint for how far I want my graphic liners to go. So yeah, I'm just raising up my eyebrow, blending that out, and also just like kind of light contouring a little bit. So you guys, I'm going to be using a L'Oreal cream eyeliner in Black is Black. I'm just going to be using the ends of my eyebrows for the length of my eyeliner, if that makes sense. I'm pretty much just going to be carving out the eyeliner. Do not rush this process, you guys. Do not rush this process, you guys. Do not rush, okay? If you do rush, you will end up messing up and having to start over like I did, and you will be very, very pressed. Also, please use the right tools for this cream eyeliner. My brush was pretty cheap, and I wish I used like a denser brush. As you guys will see, I'm looking very, very frustrated, so please don't be like me, because if I knew better, I would have did better, okay? Also, for any type of graphic eyeliner or any type of eyeliner look, the very, very key point, well, a key point is symmetry. So what I'm doing is carving above my crease, and also this is pretty hard for me because the folds where I cut my crease isn't symmetrical. Also, another key is if you're right-handed, do your left eye first, because 9 times out of 10 your right eye is dominant, meaning it's easier to match my left eyeliner to my right eye than vice versa. And it's pretty much going to be the same instance if you're left-handed as well. Then what I'm doing is carving above my inner corner so I can connect to the midpoint of the graphic liner. And like I said, you guys, please do not rush this, because you will be very, very mad if you have to start this over like I did. And just frequently check, just to make sure everything is precise, because precision is key with this, okay? And what I'm doing is just carving out the liner and making sure everything is precise and well done, you feel me? Then I'm just starting off with my other eye. Like I said, I made the mistake of doing my right eye first instead of my left, so this eye was giving me a little bit of trouble. But once you practice this, you'll have the hang of it. Like I said, this is my second time doing this, so it took me a while, you guys. This video will be 15 minutes, but I'm telling you, it took me an hour and a half to even just remotely finish everything. And I was just like, oh my God. And then I'm just carving above my inner corner, like my last eye, so it can meet at that midpoint. And like I said, just draw slowly, take your time with this, because one little mishap, you gotta take it all off. I'm sorry, like, you just gotta take it all off. It will not be the same, okay? So then what I'm doing is just deepening up the liner, because this is exactly how I want it to be drawn, the same type of shape or whatever. It has like that curve, like that L type of shape, and I like that. It works well with my eye shape, so yeah. Just making sure everything's precise, basically the same. Kind of like identical sisters, how your eyebrows got to be fraternal twins, Make sure your graphic eyeliner is identical twins, okay? Then what I'm doing is using a makeup remover wipes to wipe away any mishaps that I have on my face, and also just sharpen up my eyeliner real quick, you know, make it sharp like a knife, sharp like a sword, you feel me? Then I'm just going to be filling in the eyeliner like all above my lid, because I'm going to use this as a base. And this is the fun part for me for some odd reason. Also, while I'm packing on the liner, I'm also blending it out just to make sure everything's consistent and the liner isn't as clumpy as well. I wanted to have like a smooth surface, you know, and making sure the color is consistently black. Like, I don't want it to look patchy or anything, you know. That's why I'm just going over my line just to make sure, you know, everything is just, you know, identical. You feel me? Remember, identical twins, okay? Identical twins. So then I'm going to use the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Vivid Jade. And I'm just going to pack that on my eye. It's a really, really nice jewel tone, like emerald color. And I use the black base, of course, because it's going to make the Vivid Shade color pop, you know. Then I'm using a eyeliner brush to pack the Vivid Jade shadow to the outer corners of the graphic liner, just to make sure everything is consistent and concise. Then I'm going to use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use this turquoise type of shade and use that on the outer third of my eye and just pack it down on the Vivid Jade color. You can just use the liquid eyeshadow if you want to, but I wanted more of a blue type of look, so yeah. Then I'm going to go in with the Riviera palette from Anastasia and use the color Seashells. And I'm going to use that in the middle of my lid, or the middle of the graphic liner, and just set that down on there. And it's going to give you a very like aquamarine type of look. And then I'm going to use like this lime green color and basically set that on my inner corner or inner third of my eye, as you guys can tell. Then you guys, I'm going to be using my essentials. You already know, I already put the Milk Hydro Primer on my face, and then I followed up with the NARS Tinted Moisturizer. I'm just using the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS, just to basic color correct, hide any dark spots. I told myself I'm going to get a new foundation / tinted moisturizer because I think I'll be coming a little bit too dark for my tinted moisturizer. I mean, it's blended out perfectly, as you guys can see, but I think my face is becoming a little bit more redder, you know, as the sun is coming out, you feel me? Then I'm going to be using the concealer by Fenty Beauty in 350, and just basically blend that out. While I'm blending that out to highlight, I'm also just correcting the eyeliner as well, making sure there isn't any fallout or whatever. And I'm just going to use the concealer to basically highlight the tip of my nose, and I'm setting that with the Fenty Powder and Honey as well. I know it seems like a lot, but I needed a highlighted look to bring out, you know, the eye look or whatever. I look like a clown. Then I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs pencil in Gemstone, and I'm going to use that in my waterline slash lash line. And what I'm going to do is just drag that up to the graphic eyeliner as well. At first I was going to set it with another color from the Riviera palette, probably the seashell color, but I was just like, you know, it's giving me a really nice color payoff, and it's exact with the graphic eyeliner, so I'm gonna let me just leave it. Then I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix powder in NW43 and just set everything that doesn't include the highlighter powder. So the next thing I'm going to do is contour with MAC's Blunt. I'm just going to use that to go on my forehead, on my cheekbones, under my chin. I want a defined cheekbone with this very snatched, you know, eye look. So I'm like, you know, you might as well snatch some cheekbones too. You feel me? You guys know usually I bronze on my face. I don't really like contouring, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just give it a try. Let me just, you know, go big or go home. You know. Then I'm going to use this big fluffy brush and basically just blend out that contour. I want it to be noticeable, but I also want it to be natural as well. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that out. Then I'm going to dust off that excess Fenty Beauty powder off my eyes and my cheeks and my nose. And this powder works wonders, but it is so hard to blend out because like it really just sets like crazy. Like it's a setting powder for real. So then I'm going to use the Becca's blush in Snapdragon and put that on my cheeks. It's like this corally type of shade. It's really pretty, super subtle. Definitely great for this look, you know. Then I'm going to follow that up with two highlighters that I'm using. I'm using the Becca's highlighter in Champagne Pop, and I'm going to use Illuminati by Cam Cosmetics. I'll link that in the description box. And I'm just gonna pack that on my cheekbones. I never use the Champagne Pop. I'm not gonna say it's ashy, but it's a little bit too light for me. It's really pretty though, so I had to just, you know, make sure it's blended into my skin. So I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbone, and then I'm gonna put it on my temple as well, just to give me like a nice little glow up there. Then I'm gonna use the Cam Cosmetic. You see how brightening that is, and put that on my the tip of my nose. Give me like a little subtle glow, whatever. And I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye just a little bit, just to, you know, brighten it up. Then I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus in Coconut. Just to basically blend everything in and not give me that powdery type of look. Then I'm going to use the Remy Lashes by Ardell in 782. And then it's time for the lips. So I'm going to line my lips with the Lip Bars lip pencil in Straight Up. This is my favorite lip pencil. Favorite nudie lip pencil. Then I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses Rare Amazonian Soft Matte Lipstick. I don't really know the name of it because everything is scratched off, but I got it from a beauty supply, so go to your local beauty supply and you'll find it. But as you guys can see, it's like this burnt orange, like terracotta shade, and I love it. And then I'm going to go back and use the Straight Up lip pencil, and I'm going to use this lip brush to basically define my lips more. then to top everything off, I'm going to be using this lip gloss by MAC from the Aladdin shade. And it's pretty much like this iridescent, like it has like gold specks and pink specks or whatever, so it's going to give me this nice juicy lip. I just want to top that off so I can look kissable, you feel me? But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I'm so excited about this. The first time I did it was an epic fail, and I was so pressed, but you know, second time's a charm, obviously. But yeah, you guys, if you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, I will highly appreciate that, you know, deeply appreciate it. Also, you guys, please stay safe in this pandemic. I know we want to get out the house, but you know, we just got to keep it safe, keep it cute. And thank you guys so much. Love you guys and have a blessed day. Bye bye.